Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I am doing another collaboration with some Dolly YouTubers. This is a collaboration that was put together by Marna over at Dolls Rescued. And as usual, the group includes J Dolls UK, Beth Ramsden, and Creative 404. You'll see our links all down below. There's going to be 4 other people involved in this collab. And after you watch my video, please make sure you head over to watch theirs. So the theme for this collab is summertime. And we are tasked with creating a summer dress for one person in our group. My person that I'll be sending this off to is J Dolls UK. So I'm looking at my various types of fabric here. I have some super cute, I have to say. It's a small collection, but it's some super cute summer fabric. And immediately when I thought of a summer type dress for a Blythe doll, I thought of this super cute peasant dress that I've made a few times on my channel already. And I'm going to do it again because it's just super cute. And I'm getting better at making them. And here's an example of one that I made. This is one of the first ones I made. This is kind of summery, I have to say. And this is a fairly new doll. I don't know if you've seen the unboxing of her yet, but I will try to remember to put a link to it down below. She's a fakie, and she is working as a model in the Dolly sewing room. So yeah, so anyway, this is cute. I'm going to make something like this, only with different fabrics. So let's take a look at my fabric options. I might also create some kind of little accessory, so we'll see. Got to get the dress done first. That's the main thing. So I don't want to get sidetracked with accessories at this point. I love this fabric here. My parents owned a VW van, and this would have been in the late 70s, mid to late 70s, early 80s. They drove that thing into the ground. So, and we actually drove that van across the United States one summer. We drove 10,000 miles in a VW van similar to this. No air conditioning because the air conditioning stopped working about 5 minutes after we left the state of Florida. So this is a possibility. I think it would be really, I could, make sure that this is in the center of the dress maybe. I don't know. That's a possibility. All right. Sorry for bumping the camera. This really popped out to me too. So let me just show you. This is a collection of fabric pieces. That's not part of the collection. So this is a collection that I got. Oh, here's another one. This is a blue van. That would be cute too. And I like how they have this little extra car here. I can't remember what those are called, where they have the wood paneling. So that's a possibility. But this is a collection I picked up and bought some extra after going to a quilting show in my area. I guess it's been a couple of years ago. So I just love these little tiki huts. They have a little bicycle. I mean, it's a nice small scale. So typically most of the dresses I tend to make have a top and a bottom, so I like to mix and match fabrics. But with this dress, I can only pick one because it's all just one piece really. And so I'm thinking, where was that red fabric that I first saw? Yeah, she's not the one that's going to be wearing this. This is going to go off to Jay in the UK, J Dolls UK. I think I'm going to go with this. I love how it's red and pops. It looks good on the camera. It's got a lot of detail. So yeah, let me go ahead and cut out the pattern for this. Make sure you watch to the end of the video because I am thinking of a really cool accessory now that would go well with this. So I'm going to show you just my process. This isn't a tutorial, but I'll show you my process for putting together a cute little peasant dress using this fabric. And then I will show you, of course, the next little item, which like I said, I think I have an idea for a really cute and easy little accessory to add to this. Alright, so I cut out all the pieces and I did a zigzag stitch on the edges to finish them off. You can see there. When I was cutting out the pattern, I had to be a little bit careful because this definitely has a top and a bottom. And you can't just put the pattern anywhere, that's for sure. So I had to be really careful that I was orientating the pattern the right way. So I've stitched all the pieces. These are the sleeves here. This is the front, this is the back. And the next thing I have to do is attach the sleeves elastic right here. And this is where I deviate a lot from the original instructions in the pattern from Dolly Delicacies. And I do quite a more involved explanation of how I do this in my Valentine's collab video that I did also with Marna. So I will try to remember to put the link to that video down below in case anybody's interested. Now that I've made a few of these, they actually come together pretty quickly, and they are really adorable little boho style dresses. I'm making progress. I finished this little dress, super cute. Tried it on my doll. It fits her just fine. Very, very cute. And now I'm thinking of making a little tote bag. And I should also mention that I read the instructions again that I received from Marna, who is organizing this from Dolls Rescued, and I realized I actually have to make 2 dresses. Whoopsie. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a little tote bag and show you how I make the tote bag. And I'm going to make her another dress different than this one, but also summer themed. And I'm not going to show you the second dress in this video. You're going to have to go over to Dolls UK and watch her videos so you get to see not only the items I'm showing you here that I'm going to finish, but also the surprise dress that you guys won't see until you go over there. So let me explain how I'm doing the tote bag. So I did a video not too long ago where I showed how to make little tote bags using scraps, but I am not using scraps. I have like a whole bunch of this fabric. And I want to make sure that I have 2 different sides. One side's going to have this car on it, and one side's going to have the van on it. So I cut a piece of paper out that's about the size of the tote bag, including the seam allowance, which would be a 1/4 inch. And this is, I think I did it like 2.5 by 2.5 to make a square. And then I cut out the center to help me because I want to make sure that I cut the piece out right, which I did. All right. And now I'm folding over, I folded over the top of each of the pieces. So one side of the tote's going to have the van, and one side's going to have the station wagon. I folded over and pressed the top just a little bit, and I'm going to do a straight stitch on each of them, and then I'm going to put them right sides together and stitch doot, 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 and turn them inside out. Like I said, I stitched the 2 sides together, turned it inside out. I just spritzed it with a little bit of water. I'm going to iron it a little bit, so this helps shape your items a little bit better. And now I have some leftover hemp from a macrame gone wrong. I don't even know what this is. I found it in I have a drawer of hemp, different lengths and sizes and colors. And so I am going to cut a little bit of this off. First, I'm just going to put a little overhand knot on the end. This is going to be the handle of the bag. I'm just going to guesstimate it, so I'm going to hand stitch that on the outside of the bag there, and hand stitch it about there, and go ahead and do a little overhand knot before I cut it off. Just make sure it looks like I'm not going to tighten that too much yet. It's about the length that I want. Some tightening. I'm going to tighten that. Turn that off. Right, I'm just going to hand stitch that to that. Alright gang, here is one of my dolls modeling the dress, and here is the tote bag. Here's one side of it. Here it is the other side. I think that fits her perfectly. It's about the right length that I was going for, the right size. And like I said, I'm going to make another dress, but I'm not going to show you that. Hang on for a few more minutes with me though, because I'm going to be unboxing the 2 summer dresses I received from one of the members of our group. So I'm not sure who that is yet at this point. Like I said, I know this is going to J Dolls UK, but I'm not sure who the person is that is sending me her 2 summer dresses. So I will be revealing that and opening the package in the next part of this video. Woohoo! I got my Dolly Mail as part of the Blythe Summer Doll Dress collaboration that is organized by Dolls Rescued. Creative 404, Alexandra, is the person that got my name in our sort of round robin that we're doing. And this came in the mail today. So I've got, not sure what this is. This should probably be a dolly dress, or 2 dolly dresses. We're just making 2. She has this cute little note. And yeah, she actually makes her own pattern. So it looks like that's what she did for this. So, you know, I'll have her linked below, just like with everybody else that's part of the collab. Let me open up the envelope first, see what's in there. She has the cutest little stickers. I love her little logo. Very creative. I guess Creative 404, you have to be creative, right? All right, let's see what we got here. Ooh, this looks like maybe stickers. I know she makes stickers. So, yeah, so little to-do lists. I'm not a huge planner, but I do have an agenda book, so these would be useful for that. Oh, look how cute these are. Oh my goodness. Now she has, if you're into planning and making stickers and stuff like that, I know she has some videos on her channel, so you would definitely want to take, oh, Sailor Moon. You would definitely want to take advantage of checking that out. Oh, how cute. I love all this. This is cute. That's neat. All right. Yep. Stickers are always handy. Always handy. And like I said, I do have an agenda book. I don't go into full tilt, intense planning, but I do have my agenda book. So here's a few more. Oh, those cute. Look at that little teddy bear. Very cute. Thank you. That's like an extra goodie there. Okay. All right, I got it open with my little knife. And let's see, we've got little gifties in there. Everything's individually wrapped. So cute. It's a nice, cute little box. So what is this? Is a little thank you gifties. And we were supposed to make 2 dresses. And from what I have heard, Alexandra, and I've seen on her channel, she is an exemplary seamstress. So I'm probably going to be, oh yeah, oh my goodness. Oh, look at those little buttons. Look how sweet that is. Oh, wow. So, and I think that, yeah, she has this as a free pattern. So you can go over to her channel and pick up the pattern, which I will definitely do. Very, very cute. I love this fabric. Very summery and adorable. Very cute. All right, let's see. Let's see what's in this one. I have to figure out who's going to get to try that dress on. Ooh. All right, we got a little peasant top. Oh my goodness. Look at the little detail on there. Something fell out. Oh, maybe this is a little bathing suit. How cute. That'll look good on my tan dolls, that's for sure. All right. It's all kind of going in a color scheme here. And get in there. Look at these little shorts. Oh my goodness. Wow. Look at that detail on that little button. And a working pocket. Wowee. Oh, wow. Okay, so we got this and this and a little bathing suit. Come in here. Oh, all right. Oops, a little. Oh, how cute. Little balloons. Okay, so these are like little, I can't remember what they're called, but they're little miniatures. Oh. You can get those out of the little grab bags. The little grab bags. Oh, Crayola crayons. A couple of Crayola crayon boxes. Markers and crayons. A Frisbee. Now this is cool. This is up my alley here. I used to play a lot of Frisbee. I still do by myself in my backyard with my dog. And little balloons. Oh. And then there's still more. Holy cow. This will be like an hour-long video, people. More goodies. Ooh, all kinds of little dresses. Okay, some more. Like she has this. I've watched this video. She's got this on. It shows how to make these little tops. Again, these will look really cute. You could wear these under as underclothing or over, and look the sparkly little shorts. And that looks like pants. Wow. So I have like an entire wardrobe here, girl. She was supposed to make me 2 dresses. Wow. Woo woo, check that out. So it can go with that. It can go with this. Everything works really well together. Alexandra, my mind is blown. What can I say? My mind is blown. You are amazing. Thank you so much for this wonderful Dolly Mail and for being part of this collaboration. Thank you to Dolls Rescue for organizing it. And of course, we also have J Dolls UK and Beth Ramsden that's part of this collaboration. And I have all their links down below. I'm going to put some dolls in some clothing, take some photographs, and include them at the end of this video. You guys have a wonderful Dolly Day. Please give this a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe, hit the bell icon, share, all that good stuff. Bye-bye.